The router is one of my favorite tools because of its multifunctionality. I've made drawers, cabinets, and I'm now starting to use this router to make wood inlays. Now there's one mistake that I make plenty of times when using this router, and by showing you this, hopefully you won't make those mistakes too. In one of my recent videos, I was using the router and a template to make some wood inlays, and I was having a little bit of trouble using the router when I was going around the corners. It turns out I was actually feeding the router in the wrong direction, so that's why I was having difficulty using the tool to get my template cut out. Thankfully, someone made a comment and gave me a link to a video that you can use to find out which direction the router you have to feed it in. The trick they use is just using your right hand and then your thumb, and if your thumb is facing over the board, that's the direction you have to cut in with your router, and if it's facing off the board, that's not the direction you have to cut in with the router. And if you want to check out the full version of that video, I'll have the link down in the description below. Another way to look at it too is if you're on the outside of your piece, then you route in a counterclockwise direction, and if you're on the inside of the piece, you route in a clockwise direction. So this is the steps I'm going to be using to hopefully not make this mistake again. And if you do have any tricks you use to remember this, because I know for sure I forget all the time, let me know down in the comments. But this is just a quick video on showing you how and which direction you have to use the router. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.